So if you're searching for AI affiliate marketing, you're doing it because you either want to be faceless or you want to learn how to automate your affiliate marketing business so you're not on the internet all day. So I thought I'll show you an example of one of the softwares that I offer to struggling digital marketers, struggling MLMers, or new people who want to speed up the process of promoting a product on the internet. AI marketing consists of being able to post good ad copy, which is your words, know what to say and who to say it to, images, and pretty much automate this process because there's so many people creating content around affiliate marketing, digital marketing. So how can you compete as a newbie, or how can you get your products in front of more people? So when you're competing against a lot of these creators, one thing that will make you stand out is simply they're talking to everybody and they're just hoping the content sticks. You're going to be talking to a specific person. When you onboard in our software, we make sure, especially if you already have a product, you create a profile using our Traffic Maestro that has all the information on your customer, or how to get all the information you need to know exactly who your customer is, their problems, their dreams and desires. And then you can create a unique brand voice, or you can use our built-in brand voice that has 20 years of experience in the industry. Your positioning angle, like mine is your upline taught you how to annoy people. I teach you how to attract people. This creator lived the upline dependent model for a decade and knows intimately how it feels. It's a very detailed profile on our target audience, and it connects right to YouTube, and you can pick what you want your YouTube channel to be about, and we help you generate content. So today I'm going to be doing a long form piece of content that I want to be posting on one of my Facebook accounts. So we'll use these in other videos, but today we're going to focus on Post Alchemist. So what's cool is you can either come in here if you already know what you want to say, something you're excited about in business, something that recently happened. Is there anything you've learned? What's a myth or misconception in your industry? What's a family moment or personal experience that taught you something about business? Usually I just think of a topic I want to do and I either come here, or if there was a conversation or an epiphany I had, I'll come here. So let's just come here. Did something happen recently, a conversation, a moment that stuck with you, and you just come in here, like it says, and just pour it all out. Half sentences, random thoughts, whatever comes up. Raw is perfect. So they actually just added this transcribe button. I usually, if you see right here, I use another software that I'll leave in the description below, but we've built one in. They're always updating the software to make it better, so we'll try this. We'll keep this post exactly what our video is about, AI affiliate marketing. So there's people who want to make money on the internet, but they don't know the step-by-step on how to connect the dots, how to glue it together, and they're out buying different courses, and they're not realizing a platform exists already that bridges the gap. It helps you create the content. It helps you get real locked in on your target audience. It has the software to help you follow up and have a real digital marketing business, so someone doesn't have to go spend so much money on these different subscriptions. It has the coaching built in, so someone doesn't have to create their own coaching program or worry about coaching people if they're introverted. And it even sets the software up for them, so they don't have to worry about creating funnels and pages and stand stores if they don't want that. And a person can literally pay their money and have a business set up for them, ultimately a business in a box. And they just have to turn a few knobs, press a few buttons, and the actual business and software itself can be set up. Plus, one of the hardest parts is the content, and they have software that helps them generate the content in real time. And that's a really good software. I'm going to actually screenshot this. Then we're going to see what happens next. What's one thing your reader should take away? This is optional. All these steps are optional, but I like adding at least this one. So you just think of one point you want your reader to make sure they understand after finishing reading this post. I want my reader to know that not only does this affiliate model pay very well every week, but it essentially has everything you need right out the gate to have a full business, no missing pieces, and the glue to actually go out and make a profit, and that it's available for you. But just keep it simple like that. Any specific numbers or results, not in this post. And we're going to write the post. And you can see up here it says, I wrote over 8,000 posts and sold 10+ million of products. You can steal my style in 5 seconds. So it has a lot of knowledge baked into this AI. And you see right here, you can read this and make sure you like the post itself. You can edit it. You click here to edit it and add anything you want or take out anything you don't want. And then you can alchemize for direct response. So it bridges the gap to a call to action. After someone reads it, they can take a next step. And now we have a full post that we can take put in Facebook, and then you can either come back, use a done for you image, or you can come to our other tool, create an image. And if you don't know how to prompt, you just ask it right here what you wanted to say, or what type of image you're looking for, and it will ask you questions, and then it will have you copy and paste it down to the prompt section, and then you can pick what size you want it, style you want it. It'll set you a default style, but you can change it and generate. You get 5 free credits a day. You can buy more for very cheap. Then I will come here and just post it and add my image. And that's just one way to start getting content out. And I'll have more videos on other types of content you can use within the system. But just letting you guys know, this is the one-stop shop for software, no matter what business model you're in, real estate, digital marketing, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, and you want to take things to the next level and automate your process. So I'll leave the information to this system in the description as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more content like this around affiliate marketing.